Oh boy, this is my third worst storm. I'm in the mountains. They stopped and gave me this card to make sure I had my chains because it started raining. Then it turned into snow. This is my first training by myself. It took me 2.5 hours. Oh my goodness. This is my first training. My third worst winter. You gotta chain 2 on the trailer and 2 on the tractor. So this is my tractor tire. See, it's terrible out here. And this is my trailer tire. They won't let you go no farther. And the guy was nice enough to help me because I don't have $100 to pay them the chain. Ugh. Here go my other one on my trailer chain. You gotta make sure these links on the outside and tighten them up. You put the chain over the tire, then you pull forward and hook them together. Not an easy job. I'm all dirty and wet and cold. Okay, here go my other tire. I had to put some tarp straps, 21 inches to tighten this, because this chain was loose. So this is my tractor. I did 2 on my tractor.